What's the meaning of armoury? Armoury. Armoury.
Armoury. Armoury. Armoury refers to a place where weapons and military equipment are stored. It is also used to describe the collection of weapons that a person or organization possesses. Armories are typically secured facilities designed to prevent unauthorized access to weapons and ammunition. In addition to storing weapons, armories may also be used for training and maintenance of military equipment. The term is commonly associated with military establishments, but it can also refer to private collections of weapons and firearms. Overall, an armory is a vital component of any organization responsible for defending itself or its interests.